Hi, this is Clayton, owner of Stony RV in Stony Plain, Alberta. And although we have our own units, we are a licensed and bonded AMVIC consignment center as well. This trailer is a 2016 Forest River Palomino Puma. It came in as a consignment. We work ethically with the buyers and sellers to come up with a good deal for both parties. We offer financing, extended warranties, and delivery service as well on our consignments here too. So you can see it's the Palomino branding of Forest River, and the model number is the 30RLIS. This is the dual opposing slide unit, so it opens up quite wide in the back side and then has the front private bedroom in the front. I'm going to give you a complete tour of this trailer. It is a little bit dirty. It just came out of storage and they brought it straight here. So there is a few little minor repairs that need to be done. It has not been run through our shop, but we can do that or get a third-party inspector to come in and do it as well, whatever suits your fancy. It has the electric front jack, two 30-pound propane tanks. Looks like a brand new battery. The front end is a checker plate and it's in really nice shape. There's no real rock dings at all. A couple little flakes coming off the edges of some of the decals, but the decals look really nice. It's two-tone tan color. It has front and rear stabilizer jacks, outside gas connection for the barbecue, an assist handle, a nice big electric awning, dark tinted windows, outside speakers. It has the 6-bolt heavier axles with the aluminum wheels, and tires look in relatively good shape. It has the spare tire cover, big back rear living room window, which is really nice. And then you have the transom windows on the sides, even the windows on the sides of the slides, which I really like, all nicely dark tinted. The exterior and decals are in excellent condition. There's a few things like a loose fender skirt here, little storage shelf on the side, outside shower, city water connection. So your furnace and your hot water tank discharge to the back side, which I really like. All your badging is nice and clear here as well. So just a little elbow grease cleaning it up. It has the solar quick charge connection. Yeah, just needs a really good bath, maybe a couple small repairs. Sometimes the consigners just want to sell it as is. They bring them in from storage, they're not using them, and bring them over to us. But in general, really clean unit. It has the nice island here, so it overlaps a bit, so you can put some eating stools there, some benches. And then you have your kitchen along the side, wood paneled Dometic fridge and freezer, microwave. Doesn't look like it's really been cooked in. Some beautiful, there's no cooking signs of any cooking whatsoever. Even the tags are still hanging on the stereo system. It has the sound bar and the TV and a pantry shelf, lots of drawers. Over here, there's plug in the island, extra drawers in the island as well. The flooring's in really nice shape. You have your sofa bed at the end with some pillows, coffee tables on either side with plugs, some upper storage, nice tall ceilings, nice wood trim work, some glass inserts in the cabinets above, two recliners that are just directly across from the TV, which is kind of nice. And then your bench dinette that goes down into another bed if you want. Looks like there might be one light turned off or burnt out. Probably burnt out bulb. There's a mirror on this wall, pendant lighting, a little cubby there for storage. Walk down the hall, all your controllers are here. Thermostat, your bedroom, queen bed, nightstands and plugs on both sides, storage around the bed, under the bed, even a little bit of storage in the corner, spot for a TV, so it's a walk around queen. And then last but not least, you have this shower. It's a half molded shower with a skylight. Nice shape, no cracks. And then you have your vanity, medicine cabinet, linen closet, and foot flush toilet. So typical bathroom. So if you're interested in a nice couples trailer, we can make a deal with you, or we can contact the owners and work ethically on both parties' behalf to come up with a fair deal and still offer financing And then if you did want an inspection, we could either try to run it through the shop or arrange a third-party inspection. So if you're interested, this is a 2016 Forest River Puma Palomino dual opposing slides, model number 30RLIS. Thanks again for watching our video. Stoney RV is located 25 minutes west of Edmonton in the town of Stony Plain. 780-968-3333. Check us out at stonyrv.ca. Check out our other videos. If you like the video, hit subscribe and the like button. It helps us spread our videos around. We truly appreciate it. Thanks again for watching our video.